Okay. So again, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Rashida Muslim, an educationist, recently done Master in Teaching Education, Director of Edificato. It's an organization. The organization which is meant, has been built on the hope to bring a change in the educational society. And I want the participants who are from this sector, educational sector, to be a part of it. And together we will build a community where we will going to bring a change in education. Facilitating students of primary section for more than 6 years. I have a very small professional background, but still I'm learning. A certified trainer from Teach and Seek. I have done a lot of courses from Teach, and that is the main reason behind which brings a lot of change in my personality and more I can say in my education, in my teaching. Seek जो कि अपने लोगों की तरह हमें हर वक्त सिखाता रहता है. So I'm very thankful to the director of Seek, Ms. Saimra Imran, and the director of Seek, Ms. Farah Musharraf, for giving me the platform where EduNext, where I have given my first session. Now they have given me, you can say, they have uplifted me so much that I'm here to give a session on my own self. My aims is to change my pupil from students to autonomous learners, where they are independent. And being a teacher, I don't want to be a teacher, I want to be their facilitator. Okay, moving on to my session. Today we will going to have the glimpse of the session, that is Activate Schema. Before we move on and go deep into the session, I would like to ask, how many of you know what is schema? You can use the chat box to write your answers. Please do the honors. I'm waiting for your answers. According to you, what do you think? Okay, a dilemma. Zara said no. She has no idea what is schema. Anyone else? There are lots of people sitting here. I want answers. Hurry up. Does anyone know what is schema? Okay, that no issue. I will going to explain it afterward. Maybe plan. Okay, picture, image. Okay. Scheme or plan. Good. Farah. Cognitive framework. Good. Sarwar. Pattern. Yes, Umam, a pattern of learning. Okay, good answer, Ajmal. Anyone else? There are lots of people. Whatever comes into your mind, don't go into the depth कि मुझे definition नहीं आती, I'm going to Google it. Just after reading this word, what comes into your mind? Playing through activities, organizer, okay, what else? Concept, ठीक है? Or कुछ that comes into your mind after seeing the word schema? Maybe the picture helps you. I have placed this, you can say, use this element to give you an idea. Framework. Okay, Munira said framework. What about others? Wake up, it's 4:15. We have taken a nap also. Activities. Rakshanda said activities. Okay, Miss, आप ये यहीं पे रखेगा, आपको इसका जवाब जरूर मिलेगा. आइडियल थिंकिंग, ठीक है, आइडियल थिंकिंग. जारा पहले लिख रही थी कि नोट्स आई हैव नो आइडिया, और दारा को एकदम से याद आ गया जब मैंने कहा कि मैंने यहाँ पे एक एलिमेंट डाला हुआ, उससे आइडिया आ जाएगी. प्लानिंग स्ट्रैटेजीज, गुड अंबर. ओके, पैटर्न ऑफ थॉट्स, गुड निगत. देखा, एक आपको एक छोटी सी मैंने हेल्प दी कि यहाँ पे मैंने एक एलिमेंट डाला हुआ है, आप उस एलिमेंट की हेल्प से भी इसको थोड़ा सा गेस कर सकते हो कि व्हाट इज स्कीमा. ओके, so schema is basically your prior knowledge about the content, and we need to yes, cognitive thinking, we need to activate this prior knowledge of our students. That is the need of the time, rather than giving them everything on the board or serving them in plate. We know that they have brilliant ideas in their mind. They have certain knowledge about their content. So why not doing such things in the class that will make your lesson more interactive and engaging? To do that, I'm going to do an activity for you. What you need is read what I've written for you on my screen. And I'm giving you a minute to, if you don't have a pen or a pencil, to go and bring it on and sit in front of the screen again. And once you are back, please write in the chat box, we are back, or done, 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 done. Whatever suits you best. Yes, Nigat, would you like to say something? Would you like to share something? Is everyone back? I can see someone is holding a paper in her hand. What about others? Nigat, hurry up. I'm waiting. Oh, trying to be on shore. Okay. So the thing is that you need to bring pen and pencil and a paper. Pen, pencil could be chalega, and make 5 columns. And then before writing anything, I would like you, everyone, to close your eyes and imagine that you are standing at the seashore with your loved one, or with your spouse, or with your best friend, or with your children. Just a minute. Close your eyes and imagine. Make sure that you are standing at the seashore. Great, great, Zara. Okay. Now, what you need to do. The columns which we have made. The columns which we have made are for the 5 senses. Sense of to see, to smell, to hear, to feel, and to taste. Now, I'm giving you 5 minutes to write down while you were imagining standing at the seashore. What do you see? What do you smell? What do you hear? What do you feel? And what do you taste? You have 5 minutes to write it down, because then I will allow you either to share in the chat box, or you can turn on your mic and share your answers. And once you are done, please keep on telling me, yes, we are done. Keeping in your mind that you were at the seashore and you have to write it down on those 4 or 5 columns. What did you see? What did you smell? You hear, you touch, and the taste.
तो सॉल्ट क्या होगा? सोल्यूट होगा और
Done. Very good, Amber. Those who said done, those who are done, please write down in the chat box so that we can come to know that the participants are done with the activity, and then we will go. I'm going to call out their name and they will share their answers, what they have written. Still people are writing, I think. They need time. Sharmeen said, okay, Sharmeen, I can read your answer. See water, smell, you can see water, smell full soil, taste the salt. Yes, hear the shores. I like that. Feel peace. Yes. Zainab said, sounds of waves. I like it a lot. Flowers on the seashore, Zainab, are you sure? Crabs, shells. Those who want to share their answer, they can turn on their mic, but make sure that you will give chance to others too. Rock to see, good Huma. Or if you want to share your answers in the chat box, no worry. No issue, please. Hurry up. Does anyone want to share it by turning on the mic? Air to feel, waves, smell, that smell at times, sounds of waves, feeling pleasant, good views, touch water, sound of air. Yes, Zara, whatever you have written, you can share it with me by turning your mic on. High waves to see, good Amber. So this is what you have seen in your imagination. This is what you have feel in your imagination. This is what you have heard in your imagination. Moses to smell. Yes. Good. Happiness to watch. Wow, Miss Uma. What an answer. What did you feel? Nigad, you again raised the hand. Would you like to share?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please.
मैंने पानी की लहरों को देखा।
अरे वाह।
और पानी की स्मेल जो आती है वही महसूस की, शेल्स को टच किया और गोलगप्पे खाए।
अरे वाह, जबरदस्त। एंड वाला तो कमाल हो गया, टेस्ट में आपने गोलगप्पे डाल दिए। गुड वन निगत। ओके, अंबर इज राइटिंग वेट सेंड टू फील एंड फील। वाओ, आई लाइक दैट। वो जो एंजाइटी को रिलीज करता है ना जब आप चलते हो सी शोर पे, ये वाली चीज तो किसी को, मतलब आप क्या अपने हम बोलते हैं ना कि इसका कोई नेम बदल नहीं है। साउंड ऑफ हाई टाइड्स। भुट्टे भी खाए, शर्मीन ने तो भुट्टे भी खाए। ग्रेट शर्मीन, आई होप यू हैव मिस्ड अस। ओके, anyone else would like to share the answers? Closed eyes and feel the cool breeze, smell the water and clay smell, heard the shores, and my children giggling. Wow. My hands are on my husband's hand. Wow, so lovely, so romantic. Who is this? I want to see. Good, Zara. Okay, taste little rocks. Good. Zara, taste little rocks. Who else? I'm waiting. Anybody would like to share the answers by unmuting themselves? That will be great. The floor is all yours. You can unmute yourself at any time and you can share the answers. I like the way Nigat has shared the answers. Okay, now moving on to the next slide. I would like you to give me the answer while doing the activity. What did you experience? Hurry up, type it in the chat box. While doing this activity, what did you experience? How did you feel? कैसा लगा आपको ये एक्टिविटी करते हुए? Relax, good. Tremendous, good answer. Energetic, wow, Amber, good. It felt real, yes, it felt real, like nostalgic. पुरानी यादें ताजा हो गई. यस, गुड. और कोई? रिलैक्स. मिस अफशीन भी रिलैक्स हो गई एक्टिविटी करके. फीलिंग फ्रेश. गुड. रिलैक्सिंग, कंफर्टेबल. और कैसा महसूस हुआ आपको जब आपने लिखा? किसी ने लिखा है पुरानी यादें मेरी ताजा हो गई. सो व्हाट डिड यू फील? तो यहां से हमने ये एक्सपीरियंस बिल्ड किया इस एक्टिविटी से कि वी हैव रिवाइज्ड, वी हैव gone back into the past and then bring those glimpses in the real world. Okay, amazing, happiness. My next question for you. Can you describe the range of feeling you had during the activity? क्या थी आपकी feelings? You have to decide the scale. Describe the range of feelings you had during the activity. While performing the whole activity, happiness, okay? Waiting. You need to be very quick. Optimal level, okay? Great. Exciting. Calmness, okay. निगा, मिस तायरा, अगर मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँ, आपने लिखा एक्साइटिंग. आई वॉन्ट यू टू अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ फॉर अ व्हाइल. जी मिस तायरा, आपने लिखा एक्साइटिंग. थोड़ा और ज्यादा एलैबोरेट करना चाहेंगे यहाँ पे मिस?
सी शोर के पर तो यू नो के जो 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 पांचों सेंसेस जो काम कर रहे होते हैं वो बहुत ही मतलब एक यूनिक जो लहरें हैं, हवा है, जो आवाज है, जो लोग हैं, जो खुशी जो सब फील हो रही होती है ना, वो बहुत कमाल होती है. अपने साथ कुछ अगर मैं अपने बच्चों को ले गई थी, अपने नवासियों को ना,
राइट,
वो लोग जो इतने खुश हो रहे थे ना कि आपको क्या पता, उनको देख के मैं खुश हो रही थी.
ग्रेट मिस.
बच्चे जो है ना इतना इतना अभी वो सारा वही मैं एक्चुअली फील कर रही थी, बच्चों को लेके जाने का. वो फिर काफी अरसा हो गया, मौका नहीं मिला. तो एक्चुअली
thank you miss, thank you. Okay, Sharmeen has written, I didn't just imagine the scene but the whole experience too, as if I was really there in the moment. Yes Sharmeen, लगा आपको कि जैसे हम थोड़ी देर के लिए वहां पे पहुंच गए हैं. वो हमें we need to activate that, और ये हमें बच्चों में भी करना है. और ये जो हमने अभी एक्टिविटी की, नाउ आई एम इन जैकबाबाद एंड वेंट बैक इन 2009. ओके, सो निगत अपना थोड़ा एक्सपीरियंस बता रही है. नो वर्ड्स टू एक्सप्रेस मिस. यस, बाज दफा यही होता है कि हम अपनी फीलिंग्स को कोई लेवल नहीं दे सकते हैं. वी हैव नो आइडिया, क्योंकि जब हम अपनी ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग करते हैं एंड जब अपनी प्रायर नॉलेज की बातें करते हैं जो हमारे पास ऑलरेडी होती हैं, हमारी यादों में होती हैं, इट इज समवेयर हिडन इन आवर ब्रेन, और वो अचानक कोई ऐसा हमारे सामने ऐसा इंसिडेंट हो जाए या सिनेरियो हो जाए या ऐसी कोई ऐसा एक्टिविटी हो जाए और वो सारी चीजें एकदम आपके सामने आ जाए, तो आपके पास अल्फाज नहीं होते हैं उन चीजों को बयान करने के लिए. नॉस्टैल्जिक हो जाते हो आप. Okay, great. I love your answers. It was happiest moment to think about these days. Great. Okay. Now I want you, that most of you are teachers, I want you to list 3 activities you might have used in your classroom that help to activate the students' prior knowledge. आपने भी की होगी. This is not new, but I would like you to please share it with us, with the participants sitting here, attending the session, and let them know what are those 3 activities that you have used in your classroom that helps to activate the students' prior knowledge. Does anyone have ever tried or ever experienced that? Brainstorming, very good, ma'am. Zabardast. और कोई activity? I'm waiting. मैम जस्ट 1 आया है, मैंने लिखा है you have to list 3. Puzzles, okay, good. माइंड मैपिंग भी करवाते हैं हम उनकी, इफ वो बहुत कॉमन है. द टीचर विल गोइंग टू पुट इट अप ऑन द बोर्ड या गिविंग द स्टूडेंट्स, और आजकल तो ऑनलाइन हो गया है सब कुछ, तो हम वो भी माइंड मैपिंग भी हम माइंड मिस्टर से करवा देते हैं. Great. Wrote wrong sentences and ask them to read just to check whether they got that. Either they get okay, ठीक है. I spy, mine, good answer. Flip activity, ठीक है. Guess from the picture like a scene from a war. Wow. Imagination. Whispering game. जबरदस्त ज़ैनब. और कोई? सब एक एक्टिविटी के साथ आ रहे हैं. I want everyone to share at least 3, तो हमारे पास एक खजाना हो जाए. Everyone will get, even आप orientation भी कुछ से भी कुछ लेके जाओ. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Keep on writing. Okay, so it means we have enough activities, and if it is not, so there are many activities which helps you to make your class engaging, interactive, and that will help your students to activate their prior knowledge. And how we can do that? We can do that. You can do that by attending the session where I'm going to deliver, when I'm going to discuss, where I'm going to share, and where we will all going to do together. We will going to do those activities, and you will going to love them, and then inshallah you will going to take them with you in your classrooms. Okay. Now the last one. What training and support you have been raised for you? क्या लिखते हो? मुनीरा, Padlet, storyboard, Mentimeter, सब सही है. क्या समझते हो? ये अगर हमारे पास अगर वो सारी एक्टिविटीज नहीं है, तो हमें उन एक्टिविटीज को जानने के लिए, जैसे कि मैंने पहले बताया कि we need to learn such activities, such support that help us to activate our students' schema, our students' prior knowledge. Okay, now I'm going to share this form with you. This is a registration form. All you have to do is simply fill the form, and this is my poster for my session, Activate Schema, which will going to be held on 14th of Jan. And those who would like to, who have experienced something, who have gained something, who had learned something from this small orientation, please fill in the form and be a part of that training session. Just give me a minute and I will share the link with you. Oh, okay. And here it goes. Okay, now the link is in the chat box. Please, I would like you all to fill in, and you will definitely going to learn a lot of activities which will help you to activate your students' prior knowledge, which is a need of time. Whether students know a lot, we just need to help them. We just need to guide them. We just need to facilitate them. And you can easily start your activity. You can count them in your pre-activity, your pre-learning activity, or your while learning, or your post-learning. Yes, the link is shared, miss. It's in the chat box. You can, okay. Here's the link. Yes, the link has been shared in the chat box. Please, okay, one more thing I would like to share, that there is an early bird discount also. Those who will going to fill the form, the first 10 who will going to fill the form, the date is 14th of Jan. It's written on the poster, Ms. Munira. The first 10 who will going to fill the form, they will get a 15% discount. Early bird discount. Yeah, it is not opening. It will, Zara. No need to worry. Okay, I'm going to share it. No need to worry. I'm going to share this with you. I will email this just after the session, and it will going to open for you all. And so also, if you want to rewatch this session, this orientation, it will the link will be shared with you soon. I will email you every details, the link, the poster, and the YouTube link where you can easily watch rewatch the session. And that's all from my side. And now here I would like people to share their experience about this orientation. Who wants to take the lead? Anyone? Ms. Zara? Yasmin. Thank you, Yasmin. But here I want people, I don't know if I'm sitting with my students, they will be like, Miss, we are being teachers. Yes, Miss.
Mahi.
Yes, Mahi.
Miss Rashida, link is it's saying it's invalid link.
Miss Mahin, not to worry. Just after this session, I'm going to email everyone the link, the poster, and the details of my session. You will get the email. You will also get the WhatsApp message. So just after this session, no need to worry, Miss.
All right.
Okay. Thank you, Miss. Thank you. Okay. Thank you, Miss Tyra. Does anyone like to share how did you feel about your experience about this session, about this orientation? We have only few
मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा क्योंकि मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम है इस तरह कोई भी मीटिंग मैंने अटेंड की है और इंशाल्लाह मैं आपके साथ रहूंगी ताकि मुझे और भी सीखने को मिले।
थैंक यू।
आज के मीटिंग में भी मुझे बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला है, बहुत सारे मैसेजेस से पता चला है कि हम अपने चिल्ड्रन के साथ क्या डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज कर सकते हैं। काफी चीजें पता चली है,
पता चले। आप अपने बोरिंग लेसन को बहुत ज्यादा इंटरैक्टिव बना सकते हैं एक्टिविटीज करवा के।
इनमें से एक दो एक्टिविटीज मैंने की हैं, अब बहुत सारी मुझे पता चली है तो इंशाल्लाह आई विल इम्प्लीमेंट देम। तो ये मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा सेशन रहा एंड बेस्ट ऑफ लक।
Thank you.
And thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Those who are having some problem that the link is invalid, not to worry. I'm going to email you just after the session ends. Here I am. I'm done with my session. Still, if anybody has any issue or would like to ask anything, you can ask and you can unmute yourself or write down in the chat box. Thank you, Sharmeen. Thank you, Maheen. Yes, we have a lot of innovative and you can say active activities, strategies, which you can easily apply in your classes. So I would like to say goodbye to everyone. And inshallah, the link will be shared. It will be emailed, so also WhatsApp with you. Okay, goodbye. Allah Hafiz.